Hello students, let's see the next type of solid, which is cone. So in this question, a cone of 50 mm diameter and 60 mm axis length rests on HP. So this cone has got no edge or corner, so we're just going to be keeping the cone on HP. In front view it will look like a triangle. In top view this looks like the circle. So let's draw it accordingly. So first thing is we are going to be drawing its, in case of circle we used to draw the diagonals, so which is at the base for the circle. We are going to draw n number of diagonals. It is just for drawing the construction lines, whereas here we are going to be drawing the generator. So generator which is on this surface. So this has got n number of generators throughout this cone. So that is what we are going to be drawing it. So in top view it is going to look like circle. So here we are going to be drawing the generators. So and these generators are not part of the solid, so we are going to be drawing it. So all these generators are equally inclined to 45 degrees. As if we have drawn in case of circular lamina. Now we are going to keep its annotations. I have kept it. So first we shall decide its dimension, which is diameter is 50. Let's draw its front view. The length of the axis line is 60. So that means that will be showing the height of the cone. So let's draw the outer boundary. We are going to be drawing it in. So when I'm going to see from here, even the C is also generator. Basically the generator itself is here is a construction line. So we are not going to show the generator. Instead we are going to show the axis line. So here we need to rest this on one of its generators. Actually it has got n number of generators throughout this cone, but we have considered only few of them. Even there is some generators which we have not considered here. Even from this point to this point there are n number of generators. So we need to make sure that in the next step we need to rest it on generators, like how we have done when it comes to square pyramid, we rest it on slanted. That is the reason why we kept it on corner. Now we made this cone to slip. Now it is resting it on one of its generators. So that is, in this case it is this line which is resting it on HP. So now same thing which we need to do it this way also. So you already know how to make it rotate. You just take this length which is 65, so and place this point O, and I'm going to take the distance from O dash to E dash. I'll cut an arc, then I'm going to take this, cut an arc, from here I'll cut an arc. So directly I'm going to place this. I have tilted it and I'm just kept the annotations. So after drawing this triangle, I'll take the distance from E dash to F dash, cut an arc, cut an arc, cut an arc. I'll be getting this. Now let's draw its top view. Already in case of circular lamina I told you how we are going to be drawing it. Similarly, when you are going to draw it, what you need to do is, when you are going to draw it, from this point draw an arc, make an arc like this. So when you're going to draw it manual sketching, there is no other option by drawing it in the freehand sketch. You need to draw an arc here, you need to draw here, you need to draw an arc here, then here. You should be making blunt at these points. Then you can join it. Make sure that it will be passing through all these intersection points. After this, we are going to be drawing a line, and this is not to this point. We need to join to this tangent point, because already I have told it has got n number of generators. So the generator what we have taken is this line, which we are not taken it. We have taken it only few of them. So similarly we are going to be drawing a line from this point. Here it should be tangent line. So after that I'm going to keep its annotation. So this one will be in axis line. When you are keeping it, if you cannot keep the A point here, then the whole problem will go wrong, because A point, when I'm going to make it to rotate, A will be the right side, not in the left side. so you pay attention while keeping the annotations. So B is here, E point, H. So now O1 is the axis point. Now the question what it is for the third step, that draw its projection when the axis is inclined to VP. So that means he has given the true inclination. We need to find the apparent inclination. So that means we need to find the beta value, which is equal to 33. We are going to construct it. So first thing is I need to draw 30 degrees line. You can keep it anywhere. Just draw these lines. Now from here to here I'll show it. It is 30 degrees. Now you know how to draw the circular lamina. First draw the circular lamina. So after drawing 30 degrees line, I need to cut an arc. So from this point, the length of the height of the axis is 60 mm. Then I'm going to be drawing the locus line. Then again I'm going to draw an arc by taking the apparent length of the axis, which is 55.38 with the same 55.38. So this is the axis line. Now what we need to do is, now I'm going to take the distance from, next I will be taking the distance from O1 to G, which is equals to 25. Now similarly I am going to take the distance from O1 to H, which is 18.94. I'll go for arc by center point. From here 18.94. I will cut an arc. Next I am going to take the distance from O to H, which is 51.7. So from here I'll cut an arc. So from this point I'll cut 51.7. So trim these points. Next I need to take the distance. I'm just going to extend this line, which is the axis line. I'll take the distance from O1 to E point, 9.62. I have to take the distance from O to F will be equal to O to D, 64.65. So I'm going to draw like ellipse how I draw here. I'm going to make blunt here, then blunt here, then blunt here, then join it. Then from here I'm going to make it tangent. First thing is you need to draw this ellipse. So what you can do is you can just make an blunt here, then blunt, then join all these points. So somewhat like this. From here it should be tangent, not to this point, it should be tangent. Now I can see that the nearest point is, so nearest point for an observer is C and B. So C and B line joining is thick lines. So that is what we are going to see even in the cone. This is the top view. This is what we are going to see, that the beta angle is 33. Now here in the front view, base of the cone, that is what here also we are going to see. The last thing is we need to draw its axis line. Hope you understood how to solve it, and have a good day.